welcome to Tarot with Shiva. So ngayon naman po babasahan natin ang ating Aries. So this is Sun, Moon, Rising as well as Venus placement. All it takes for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So this is a timeless reading for our Aries. So tignan natin yung energy, but first bibigyan muna kita ng iyong main card for this reading. So bukas papasok si Mars sa bahay ni Aries, which is si Mars ang ruling planet ni Aries. So, this is exciting, no? Kumbaga, para sa mga Aries, astrology speaking, para sa mga Aries po is ang pagpasok ng iyong sariling ruling planet sa iyong bahay, sa first house, is, ibig sabihin nito, release, no? Kailangan mong mag-release. At parang ito yung ending ng mga bagay na hindi na naka-align para sa iyo, Aries. Pero titignan pa rin natin ang energy mo sa ating tarot reading. So you have the Three of Cups, no? Three of Cups. Wow, nakikita ko sa card na to, no, Aries, is ikaw talaga yung parang main character for upcoming 2 to 3 weeks, I believe, because this is a Three of Cups. No, nakikita ko. Okay, so let's clarify it. Three of Cups. Three of Cups, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung anong ibig sabihin ni Three of Cups, no? Si Three of Cups is about celebrating, no, ng mga hardship mo, yung mga ginawa mong pagtsatsaga, trabaho, no? Itong ibig sabihin nito ni Three of Cups. Okay, for Aries, Three of Cups, let's clarify. Okay, may lumabas na. You have the King of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. Wow, puro 3, no? The Six of Wands. Wow, gaganda. Ikaw talaga yung nasa the world. Wow, wala akong nakikita dito ng Aries na na hindi magandang card. Napakaganda. No? So, nakikita ko dito sa kay King of Wands is about victory and leadership. Like I said nga, ikaw ang spotlight for the 2 to 3 weeks. Ikaw ang spotlight. Dahil papasok na sa'yo yung sarili mong planeta sa mismong bahay mo. And then si Three of Pentacles is about teamwork and collaboration. So makikita natin dito, makipag-teamwork ka sa mga kaibigan mo or sa loved one mo or sa family mo. And also career. No? Dito sa career naman, meron kang skill and development and recognition. Yes, spotlight. And kay Six of Wands again, Six of Wands is about victory. Once again, victory, success, reward, recognition once again. So, sa dalawa ang recognition mo na. And then, meron kang the world, which is completion and fulfillment. No? Dahil papasok sa'yo, si Mars sa bahay ni Aries, sa first house mo, ibig sabihin nito, complete na, mawawala na lahat ng mga problemang dinala mo noon. At kung, of course, kailangan pa rin tayo ng action, no? Kung hindi mo yun i-release, mas mahihirapan ka. Kung ako sa'yo, kung ano ba yung mga past mo, na mga gulo, mga chaos na meron ka, iwanan mo na. Kung hindi mo maiwan, ayusin mo. Yun yung kailangan. So, there is a small delay lang, no? May mga small delay lang akong nakikita rito sa cards, pero we will still clarify. Okay, let's clarify the King of Wands. You have the Justice, like I said. The Seven of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Completion again. Wow. Justice, no? Balance and fairness and might be law as well, no? O legal aspect. Something na ganon. Malakas ang energy. So, sa mga cross-watchers po dyan, dahil nasa Aries season tayo at malakas ang pasok ni Mars sa bahay ni Aries, maaari makaresonate kayo rito. So, only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't sa mga cross-watchers. So, nakikita ko nga rito kanina, meron kang mga small delays. Nakikita ko, kailangan ayusin ng mga maliliit na detalye. May mga idea kang gustong talagang ilabas, no? So, bago ka makapag simula ng bagong, talagang dapat na lumabas muna or ma-release muna yung mga hindi na kailangan, no, Aries? Dahil you have the Justice. Okay, the Three of Pentacles, teamwork, and Page of Swords, energy. Wow, Nine of Cups, satisfaction, completion, again. Completion, lumabas ulit si Five of Wands, which is completion, na parang see the world din to eh. Dahil din, meron full moon in Aries, no? Yung mga gulo mo sa past, kailangan daw mai-release. Dahil kapag sinabing the world, ibig sabihin yan, may completion, may kailangan completion, at may kailangan iwanan na yung dati mo, no? Meron kang mga gulo sa, maybe nagkaroon ka ng gulo sa family, sa mga kaibigan mo, kasi puro lumalabas dito is Three of Cups and Three of Pentacles. May mga gulo ka doon, kung titignan natin to in the negative side, no? Yun yung mga siguro paulit-ulit na lang naggulo na palagi mo natatanggap, no? And yun, kung hindi mo maayos-ayos, ibig sabihin nun, baka ayun yung kailangan mong baguhin at i-release. So, Six of Wands naman tayo. You have the Six of Pentacles, the Judgment, the Queen of Wands. Okay, so malakas ang energy mo, no? Determinado ka ngayon. May courage ka. Kaya lang, no? Kailangan i-balance at kailangan may baguhin ka talaga, because si Judgment is about change of position, no? Change of something, no? At iwasan yung pagiging impulsive, no? At yung pagiging mainit, no? Dalihin yung init sa maayos na paraan. May mga distraction din akong nakikita dito. So, kailangan i-reconstruct mo ito. Parang pag-aayos ng bahay siguro, no? Tama. Hardship and loneliness naman. Material possession and greed. Pagiging greedy. Ayun, no? Basta tanggalin mo to. I will not gonna say it's you or other person or other people, but merong kailangan kang baguhin at kailangan i-release para mag-start yung bago mong apoy. Kung baga, patayin mo muna yung apoy and then sindihan mo ulit ng bago. Patayin mo yung isang kandila, no? Dahil gamit na siya, kumuha ka ng bago, sindihan mo ulit. Parang ganun ang sistemang kailangan mong gawin, Aries, no? Alright, let me give you angel advice for this. Angel Michael, please. What is your advice for Aries for this reading? Thank you. Angel, please. Ask. Okay, so ask the angels to help you in this situation, and they will immediately go to work on your behalf. They were governed by many universal law, and among them is the free will that allows you to make your own choices and decisions. So they will patiently await your requests. Okay, that's for you, Aries, and I hope nagustuhan mo, and see you in my next one.